Okay? High cost of development. They are expensive. Huh? And maintenance and training required can be expensive. See? Siyempre, kailangan ng maintenance yan. Para hindi magkakasakit. AI. Parang tao din. Kailangan ng maintenance. Okay. So yun ang magiging problema. Kasi mahal. High cost. Maintenance and acquisition. Number 6, security risk. Security risk. AI can be used dangerously for cyber attack. Cyber attack. Scam yung cellphone mo. Security risk.